barbecue.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Welcome back to NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz. Today, I'm doing something, I guess can't say it's really different, but I'm doing a little practice. I'm going to cook a pork butt, do a little pulled pork today. Next weekend, there is a local competition. It's a little bit of a different than what you would think of a normal barbecue competition. Basically, we're all cooking our barbecue at home, and then we're going to turn it in at a certain time of the day. I'm not really sure why they're doing it that way. It's kind of a neat idea. That way, I'm not as stressed. I don't have to carry all my stuff up to the park, which it's only right up the road. It's very, very local. There's not a lot of people in it. But anyway, I need to know how long it's going to take me to cook a pork butt. I want to know a time scale. That way I can know exactly what time I need to put it on, what time it needs to be done by, how long it's going to take me to pull it, how long, you know, all these little things, just all these little different details. So I'm going to do one today. I'm going to take some notes, and I figure why not videotape it, put it on the channel. We're just going to do it on the old Oklahoma Joe here, and eventually I need to clean it. I really need to clean it first. It's pretty dirty, but I want to get everything cleaned up too. So we're going to do that after a while. But right now, I'm going to go get the pork butt ready, get it all cut up, get it injected, seasoned, all that stuff, and then we're going to get it slapped on the Oklahoma Joe. We are trying some new pellets today, too. I'm trying the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets. They seem to last a little longer. They seem to burn a little longer than all the others I've been using. I've been a huge fan of the B&B pellets, but these ones seem to just burn a little longer. I don't know what the difference is, but anyway, I'm gonna try that today. And I think I do have some new seasoning, so I'm gonna try that. I want to see what the difference is in the seasoning. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this sucker started. We'll just go ahead and roll some little B-roll footage of me getting the sucker ready. $3:00, 3:06, and put this thing on at 9:25. It's 167 internal temp in the middle. I'm gonna get ready to go ahead and wrap this sucker, but I want to give you a quick glimpse of what it looks like. All right, So that's what it looks like. I haven't messed with it. I'm hoping I didn't mess up though, because I did notice that my in my hopper there where the pellets go, the little I don't know what, can't think of the word, but anyway, it was out of pellets, so I threw some pellets in it real quick. So I'm hoping there's enough going on in there that that little bit won't be a problem, but we may end up having an issue with the pellets. Hopefully the fire doesn't go out. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull this thing off. I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna put it in a big pan. I'm gonna wrap it, and we're gonna put it back on. I did run out of water. I had to put some water in it. I had a little scare here. Had a little bit of scare. Gotta calm down. But let's look at it one more time because it looks so good. Thing looks good. All right, time check, 4:32. Sucker's been on a long time, but we are, if you can see, this one's the outer edge. This is at the inside, the very metal, 196, and I'm sitting at 232 degrees in the middle. So, you know, we're almost there. I'm not pulling it off until I hit at least 205. I gotta hit 205, and then I'm gonna pull it off. And then we're gonna pull it out, pull it up, pull it out, pull it. I don't know, whatever. We're gonna pull it. We'll put it in a can or a plate or whatever. Man, I can't talk today, but whatever. We're gonna pull it, and then I think me and the wife are just going to divvy it up for lunches this week. So, but this tells me now what I need to do next week. I was gonna try to cook this all in one day and get it up to the turn-in, and because we're cooking everything at our own houses, so then we're gonna turn it in up there. Anyway, that's besides the point. So I think my plan is I'm gonna cook it the day before, and then I'll just have to heat it up, I guess, the next day and bring it. Because if I do it like today, like I'm gonna miss turn in by like 5 hours. So anyway, that's the plan. That's my plan for next weekend. I think that's how it's gonna go. Hopefully, I've never done this, so I'm trying to figure this all out, but it's gonna take a while. I know that for a fact. So anyway, we got what, 9 more degrees to go, 9 more degrees, and then we're going to pull this sucker off. So hopefully that 9 more degrees will take 30 minutes, maybe, hopefully less. I don't know, we'll just have to keep an eye on it. Check it out, guys. 207, that's where we're at. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the sucker off. I got my cooler here. We're gonna slap this sucker, take it right off there, and we're gonna slap it in the cooler. Woo, does that look good? Look at that. Oh, how gorgeous. All right, let's get it out, get it on the cutting board. Here we go. Look at all that beautiful meat. That beautiful, beautiful pork. Looks really good. Got it all chopped up nice and finely chopped up. This is how I like it. This is how I think pulled pork should be. All finely shredded like that. Look at it. Now, we're going to add in something I like. Let's Sweet Honey Country Bob's. This is some good stuff here. We're gonna put that all in there. We're gonna mix it all up, and we're gonna go eat this stuff because this looks amazing. So if this is how I want to do this for my competition, then I gotta go get more sauce because this is definitely not enough. I need just a little bit more sauce, but it looks pretty good. I'm gonna test it out. Here, let's test a little piece. Here, let's just test. Look like a good piece. Had a little thing in it. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I think that's how it's gonna go. Yep, pretty sure. Taste another piece just because I can. A little bit more sauce. A little bit more sauce would be perfect. It'll be perfect. A little bit more sauce. That's pretty good. That's pretty dang good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna eat another piece. I'm gonna eat another piece. Oh. Yep. Yep. All right. That is it, guys. That is it for this week. That is it for me here on NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm out, y'all. Hopefully this goes well next week. We'll see. Talk to you guys later. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at NewBQ2020, TikTok at NewBQ Backyard Barbecue, and we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.